Ever since the invention of the downspout, mankind has been plagued with one annoying problem. It strikes in the day, strikes at night, in rain and snow. It's that constant dripping sound.
Okay, I'll fix it.
I'll fix it.
That's great. Thank you. I fixed it.
Aren't you tired of that constant, annoying dripping sound? Stop. You don't have to rip out your downspout to get rid of the noise. Our gutter drip stop Premier pads fit in most downspouts. They can be self-installed in minutes, and for under $10 a pack, they won't break your bank. What are you waiting for? Fix it today.